In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and subtract fractions, and we're focusing on fractions with unrelated denominators. In my previous video, I spoke about fractions with related denominators being ones that are different but belong to the same fact families, so like thirds and sixths, or halves and quarters, or halves and eighths. Today, we're focusing on unrelated, which means they are completely different. Okay, so it's not necessarily as straightforward to find an equivalent fraction. So for an example, this would be thirds and fifths, okay? Because doubling them isn't going to work. So we need to try and find another way to make those fractions equivalent. The way we do that is we focus on finding what the lowest common multiple is, or the LCM. So what I'm going to do to find that is I'm going to list the multiples of 3, which would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and you can go as far as you feel the need to. For 5, I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, and I can stop there because now I can see there is a common multiple. I've got 15 here and 15 here, which means that my new denominator is going to be 15. So what I need to do now is think of what I need to multiply these fractions by to make 15. Okay, well, not to multiply a fraction, but what multiplier are we going to use? So here I'm going to multiply 3 by 5, which means I might need to multiply the numerator by 5. And over here, it's going to be the fifths. I'm going to multiply by a multiplier of 3, like this. So when I show my working out below, I could say that this equation at the top, which says 2/3 plus 1/5, is going to be equal to my new fraction, which would be a denominator of 15, 3 times 5, and 2 times 5 on the top would be 10, plus my new fraction, which is, again, with the new denominator of 15, 5 times 3, and the numerator was 1 times 3, which would be 3/15. Okay, and I can actually see here, 2/3 is an equivalent fraction to 10/15, and 1/5 is an equivalent fraction to 3/15. Now, the denominators are the same, so I can just add the numerators to make 13/15. Okay, so to recap, what you need to do first is find the lowest common multiple and then identify the multiplier or divider that you need to use to get that fraction to be that number. Okay, after that, we can write our new fractions, our equivalent fractions, and then add them together. Thanks for watching.